In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever. For beginners looking for the laziest ways to make money online, there are several methods that require minimal effort and can yield substantial income. While the idea of earning $1,895 per day might seem far-fetched, it is achievable with the right strategies and dedication. Here, we will explore some of the easiest and laziest ways to make money online. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to make money online with minimal effort. It involves selling products online without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. Here's how it works. Setting up your store. To get started, you need to set up an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces that make it easy to create and customize your store. Choosing products. Next, you need to choose the products you want to sell. This involves researching trending products that have high demand but low competition. Websites like Oberlo, AliExpress, and Salehu can help you find products to sell. Marketing your store. The key to making money with dropshipping is effective marketing. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to promote your products. Paid advertising, such as Facebook ads or Google ads, can also help drive traffic to your store. Automation. One of the laziest aspects of dropshipping is the ability to automate many processes. You can use apps and tools to automate order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer service. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lazy way to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Choosing a niche. To get started, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from fitness and health to technology and fashion. Joining affiliate programs. Next, you need to join affiliate programs related to your niche. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products and services that you can promote. Creating content. To promote your affiliate products, you need to create content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. The key is to create content that is informative and engaging. Driving traffic. The success of affiliate marketing depends on driving traffic to your content. You can use SEO, search engine optimization, techniques to rank your content higher on search engines, or you can use paid advertising to drive traffic to your content. Earning passive income. Once your content is created and traffic is flowing, you can earn passive income as people click on your affiliate links and make purchases. The more traffic you drive to your content, the more money you can make. 3. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom-designed products without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. Choosing a platform. To get started, you need to choose a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. These platforms offer a wide range of products that you can customize with your designs. Creating designs. Next, you need to create unique and eye-catching designs for your products. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create great designs. You can use tools like Canva or hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr to create designs for you. Setting up your store. Once you have your designs, you can set up your store on the print-on-demand platform. You can customize your store's appearance and upload your designs to the products you want to sell. Marketing your products. To make sales, you need to market your products. You can use social media platforms, paid advertising, and influencer marketing to promote your products. Earning passive income. With print on demand, you earn passive income every time someone purchases one of your products. The print on demand platform handles the printing and shipping, so you don't have to worry about inventory or logistics. 4. Online surveys and microtasks. While online surveys and microtasks won't make you rich overnight, they are one of the laziest ways to make some extra cash online. Joining survey sites. To get started, you need to join reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. These sites pay you to complete surveys and other small tasks. Completing surveys. Once you join, you can start completing surveys and earning money. The surveys typically take 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can do them in your spare time. Microtasks. In addition to surveys, You can also complete microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker. These tasks can include data entry, image tagging, and transcription. Earning rewards. Most survey sites and microtask platforms offer rewards in the form of cash, gift cards, or points that can be redeemed for prizes. While the earnings may be small, they can add up over time. 5. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is another lazy way to make money online. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it repeatedly without having to manage inventory or shipping. Creating digital products. To get started, you need to create a digital product that provides value to your audience. This could be an ebook, online course, printable, or software. You can use tools like Canva, Teachable, and Gumroad to create and sell your digital products. Setting up your store. Next, you need to set up an online store to sell your digital products. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy offer easy-to-use interfaces that make it simple to set up and customize your store. Marketing your products. To make sales, you need to market your digital products. You can use social media platforms, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote your products. Earning passive income. Once your digital product is created and your store is set up, you can earn passive income every time someone purchases your product. This allows you to make money while you sleep. 6. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a lazy way to make money online if you enjoy creating video content. Once your channel grows, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Choosing a niche. To get started, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from gaming and beauty to education and travel. Creating content. Next, you need to create high-quality and engaging video content for your channel. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. A smartphone and basic editing software are enough to create great videos. Growing your channel. To grow your channel, you need to consistently upload content and engage with your audience. You can use SEO techniques to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher on YouTube search. Monetizing your channel. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning ad revenue. You can also make money through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Earning passive income. As your channel grows, you can earn passive income from ad revenue and affiliate marketing. The more views and subscribers you have, the more money you can make. 7. Blogging. Blogging is another lazy way to make money online if you enjoy writing. Once your blog grows, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Choosing a niche. To get started, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from personal finance and health to travel and lifestyle. Setting up your blog. Next, you need to set up your blog. You can use platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix to create and customize your blog. Creating content. To attract readers, you need to create high-quality and informative content for your blog. You can use SEO techniques to optimize your blog posts for search engines and drive traffic to your blog. Monetizing your blog. Once your blog starts attracting traffic, you can monetize it through ad revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. You can join ad networks like Google AdSense and Media.net to display ads on your blog. Earning passive income. As your blog grows, you can earn passive income from ad revenue and affiliate marketing. The more traffic your blog attracts, the more money you can make. 10. Before diving into the methods, it's essential to understand the basics of stock trading. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. The stock market operates through exchanges where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. Day trading. This involves buying and selling stocks within a single trading day. Day traders seek to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading. This involves holding stocks for several days or weeks to benefit from intermediate price movements. Capital requirements. To make $1,350 a day, you need a substantial amount of capital. The returns required depend on the percentage of your capital you are willing to risk and the expected rate of return. For example, if you have $100,000 in capital, you would need to achieve a 1.35% return on your investment daily, which is quite challenging. If you have $500,000 in capital, you would only need a 0.27% daily return, which is more attainable but still requires skill and strategy.